Alright guys, welcome to your Universal Tutor. So today we're looking at simplify. We say simplify 10a over m to the power 2 n to the power 2 divide. When we have 5a to the power 3, then 2m to the power 2, then n to the power what? To the power 2. So here what we're going to do, guys, don't forget we're solving b. So we're going to say the same way that is there that says simplify. So we're going to say here, we're going to say 10a over m squared n squared divide, then we have 5a cube root, okay, over 2m squared n squared. So guys, when you reach at this point, that's when you now understand that this division, you don't divide from here. These guys, they interchange, okay? So this one will go up, this one will come down. So it will be 10a, it's a, guys, over m to the power 2, n to the power 2, then you put times here because now we are dividing and multiplying. So now here we are going to say, here we have 2 power m to the power 2, n to the power 2 over, then we have 5a to the power 3. So we can say a there goes, a will remain with what? 2 here, then 5 1, then 5 there, it's what? 2. Then we can say here n goes, m goes. So we're going to multiply this with everything here and this with everything here, okay? So we're going to multiply m and m goes, n and n goes, a and a, so we have 2a there, okay? We have 2a there. So the answer, it will be, we're going to write it here, to be 4. It will be 4, 2 times 2, that will be 4. So for us to understand, let me write it so that we don't miss out. It's 2 times 2, then all these have been cancelled out, okay? All these have been cancelled out. So this a has gone, then over we have this and this has gone. We only have a to the power 2, okay? So our answer here is 4 over a to the power what? To the power 2. We have simplified.